I'm making a pumpkin roll with cream cheese filling today, so let's get started on Darlene's table. I'm going to whisk together the dry ingredients. It's the flour, as well as the spices, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I'm going to whisk this together and then set it aside for now. I'm going to whisk together the sugar and eggs and vanilla. I did use the vanilla bean paste in this. All right, now the pumpkin in with this egg and sugar mixture. Back with the flour. We're going to combine all this together. You're just going to do this till it's combined. We're not going to beat it until it's just perfectly smooth, but I do want it mixed well. Okay, now I've lined this 15 by 10 jelly roll pan with, first I oiled the pan, then I put the parchment paper down, and then I oiled the top of that. Smooth this out. Now we're going to do a shaker and drop it on the countertop here a little bit. Get the bubbles out. Alright, into the oven at 375 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes. You want it to spring back when you touch the middle. While that's in the oven, let's go ahead and make the cream cheese filling. I've got the butter and cream cheese, a little vanilla bean paste, alright, I'm going to sift in the powdered sugar. Start slowly and mix until it's all incorporated. That's what we're looking for, smooth and creamy. Alright, that springs back. It's ready. I removed it immediately from the pan onto this work surface, and you start rolling it with the parchment paper hot. Now it's hot. Now it's going on the cooling rack until it's totally cooled. This took about an hour and a half to cool. Now we're going to roll it back out very carefully. Put the cream cheese filling and leave about 3/4 of an inch all the way around. Spread it out as evenly as you can. Now start to roll it again. Pulling that parchment paper away. We don't want it rolled up with the roll this time. Now we're going to roll it up in plastic wrap, saran. Either fold the ends under or twist them, and it's going to go in the refrigerator till the next day. Oh, here we go. I've sprinkled it with powdered sugar and make nice slices. Doesn't that look good? And it tasted wonderful. My first pumpkin roll, and as you can see, it was a success. Not only was it beautiful, the taste was as good as it looked. Anyway, I'm glad I tried it, and you will be too. If you like this video, do us a favor and click the like button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we post another video. We hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.